The man who replaced Carlos Ghosn was short on details but said the automaker is pursuing a two-prong electric strategy. All vehicles will either be pure electric or heavy power, which means there will be a gasoline engine that will help power the generator but will not be used to actually propel the vehicle. The engine serves as a generator for the battery while electric motors power the vehicle. It means nearly all new Infiniti models introduced after 2021 will be electrified, and by 2025 half of Infiniti models will have some form of electrification, Saikawa said. Infiniti is also investing heavily in gasoline engines with the introduction of the VC Turbo, which is the first variable compression ratio engine that gives the gas engine the torque and efficiency of a hybrid or diesel. The advanced powertrain is debuting in the 2019 QX50.